Now, I will explain to you about my sociolinguistic research. The title is Sociolinguistic Analysis of Vernacular Language in a Podcast. So, the podcast I found in Coffee Break with Asgard channel. So, from the podcast, we know that the host is Asgard Karsti. He is an expert in cabin kamar dagang industri in Indonesia. So the guest is Tina Molina. She is content creation in TikTok and also she HR in one company. So we know from their job, I think they always use formal language, but not in this situation. So the next we talk about problem statement in the research. So the problem statement is how the professional adapt their communication style between formal context and informal context. And the purpose in this research is to examine how professionals adapt their communication to the context and how to achieve communication to achieve effective communication goal. So the next is method. This research uses qualitative approach with discoursing analysis method to explore more about use of vernacular in conversation. So in this case is in a podcast. The result is number one, use of vernacular. So many professionals use vernacular expression such as ni, tu, itu kan, habis itu. So to express more relaxed and to create more relaxed and to make a familiar atmosphere. So maybe although we know they usually formal language in a work environment. So number two is impact on the audience. So using a vernacular expression can build a stronger connection with the audience, so that make conversation more relatable and engaged. So the next is perception of professionalism. Well, using a vernacular expression can increase or can reduce the impression of formality, but doesn't reduce the audience's perception about the speaker professionalism. Because the audience feel like the speaker more human and approachable. So the last is contrast with formal language. So the differences language use between formal work environment and informal setting. So because so in the podcast we know that show the flexibility, the linguistic flexibility from the professional to adapting communication style to the context. That's about my research, my sociolinguistic research. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.